Tesla Model Pi smartphone will launch with Starlink technology. In the near future, Tesla is said to be preparing to launch a smartphone model called Model Pi. Accordingly, the Tesla Model Pi smartphone is expected to be equipped with a quality 4K screen, a cluster of 4 cameras with a main camera of 1080p resolution, powered by Snapdragon 898 SoC chip, and has up to 2 TB of flash storage. In addition, the Model Pi is also said to be able to connect to the Starlink satellite, has integrated solar charging technology, and even the color of the phone can change depending on the environment. Besides satellite connectivity, Model Pi is also expected to still be equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity and 5G technology, and possibly even Neuralink connection technology, helping to link and transmit information between the brain, people and phones, as well as other advanced technologies. There is still no further information on the official price and launch time of the Tesla Model Pi, only knowing that this Tesla phone model will probably be launched at the end of 2021. Come to think of it, it's only about a month away from the end of 2021, guys. Let's wait and see if Elon Musk will really launch this smartphone. Do not forget to follow us on our Facebook group and page to keep you always aware of the latest advances, news, updates, review, and giveaway on smartphones, tablets, gadgets, and more from the technology world of the future.